Hi, welcome to 5.8 using the distance tool in conjunction with Google Earth. This is a really cool feature, especially math, science, any kind of area distance application. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to do a find my location as it flies in there. So I've actually used this quite a bit just for personal use to find areas, to find perimeters, things like that. So we'll have it fly in here to Clearwater. And I'm going to go to my house here. So we live right here on this corner. And so one way that I have done, or one thing I've used, is to, we were building a fence. I wanted to find kind of roughly where we're talking about distance-wise. So we come in here, and this is the measure tool over here. It's got a good interface of what we're doing, and you can set it if you want, or change the units afterwards. It doesn't matter. But you can actually see the shadow of the fence we built here. So one of the things I wanted to know was roughly, when we were pricing it out, how much it was going to cost me. It runs all the way down to here, and it comes across, and then reattaches down here at the corner of the house. Okay, so if we do that when I'm done, I just click on that last dot again, and it draws a linear distance. That's meters. Most boards don't come in meters, they come in feet. And so we can look there, and that's about 372 feet. So I get an idea. You can do that in sort of grand scale, very close up, or you can back it up to, we want to do distances big between towns or whatever it happens to be. The other one is area. And so it's the exact same tool. So you can do start new here if you want a new one. Let's say I'm going to overseed my yard, okay, which we've done before. And so, I'm going to get the rough area without having to pace it off or to do that. I'm going to get the area just of my lot here. And again, we're going to switch that to square feet because that's what seed bags come in. And so I've got roughly 31,000 square feet here. And obviously this isn't super right on, but it's pretty good. And then I'm going to take out, and this would be a good discussion with kids about is that the area, is that where we're seeding? Now we need to remove things, right? Like we write that number down. We need to remove things like, maybe the house. So we come in here and we take out the area of the house, and maybe you've got a garage or you've got a driveway or whatever it is. This is actually how roofers now, if you need a roof estimate, they don't get up on your house to measure it. They'll get up to look at the damage, but they use a program in satellite imagery, and you can actually see shapes here. And so they can come in here, and we've got this triangle, and there's its area in terms of shingles and that sort of stuff, because your roof's not flat. Your roof is made up of all kinds of different shapes and polygons, and so they use a program that actually deciphers that from satellite imagery. So there's our measurement tool. Also, as part of the measurement tool, and this shows up all the time, but something you might be interested in is down here, if you haven't noticed yet, as you drop a pin or you search coordinates, it gives you the GPS coordinates down here, which might be useful. It also tells you where the camera is. And so the camera, as I zoom out, you'll see that the camera goes higher and higher at 1,278 meters. As I zoom in, it goes lower and lower. And so actually, as far as I can get it down here, I can get it down to about 418 meters. That's above sea level. That's not above your current location. That's above sea level. So if you want to know roughly how high the camera is in the air, you could look up the elevation of a place. For example, Clearwater is about 1,200 feet, which is about 400 meters above sea level. So the current positioning of this camera is about 18 meters above the ground. You can convert that to feet if you want to, but that's kind of a cool feature also. You can see exactly how high the camera would be placed if you were in fact, in a drone or in a blimp or something up above it. So that's the distance tool, and then some more information about the GPS and elevation information in the bottom corner there. Thanks.